Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox headless. This highly sought-after look allows your avatar to appear as if it has no head, creating a distinct and often mysterious aesthetic. Many players desire this unique style, and there is one primary, official method to achieve it. We will explore the exact item you need and how it works to give your character this iconic appearance. The secret to achieving the headless look lies within the Headless Horseman bundle. This premium item is the only official way to truly make your avatar appear headless. It typically becomes available for purchase around the spooky season each year and comes with a significant price tag, usually costing 31,000 Robux. The bundle includes a special transparent head, which, when equipped, makes your character's head invisible. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 12, 13, 16. Once you have acquired the Headless Horseman bundle, equipping your new look is straightforward. Simply go to your avatar customization section and select the transparent head from the bundle. This item will replace your current head, making it invisible. For the best visual effect, consider pairing it with dark-colored neck accessories or hair that can further obscure the neck area, enhancing the illusion of a truly headless avatar. 2.12. It is important to remember that the Headless Horseman bundle is typically a seasonal offering, often appearing during specific times of the year. Its price point of 31,000 Robux makes it a significant investment, reflecting its unique and highly desired aesthetic. If you are aiming for this iconic headless appearance, be sure to save up your Robux and keep an eye out for its availability to secure this exclusive item. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 12, 13, 15, 16.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.